Yo, what's good, y'all? Welcome back to my vlog. So, up first, I got a couple of photos to show you, like, what's happening right now, bro. So, there's a whole ass, and, you know how it goes, like, you know how the story goes, like, I mean, it can't be that bad, right? It can't be that bad. You know, oh my Lord and Savior, bro. Bro, we're trapped in this part, man. Can some of y'all save us, bro? What the? Bro, what the? Bro, what the? No, shit! No. Alright, bro. Oh. Bro, there's a whole ass puddle here. Oh. Hold on, what? Oh. I mean, a car just passed through. So, hey, bro. Alright. Alright, guys. I'm sorry, man. I don't think the cactus is surviving this one. Yeah, I mean, like, there's a 50% chance it will survive, but, like, you know, the chances of that are very slim. And, let's see. Alright, so. Bro, is that a. We have a wild exotic creature, bro. Alright, as you can see, it gets way thicker the more deeper you go in. So, I just came back from my grandma and grandpa's house. Whatever the hell that thing is going in there into the bathroom. So I don't think I'll be able to see it, y'all. There's some water in there, some more water in there, and this is the worst part, bro. This is the bath. This is the bath. Bro, is that a freaking... And I'm probably not allowed to go in here, but as you can see, look at that. Look at it, bro. Look at that, man. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Chad, I don't think this is a good thing, bro. I don't think this is a good thing. Chad, I do not think this is a good thing, bro. So, thanks for listening to my vlog, yo. Alright, thanks for listening to my vlog while I'm deep under wedge. Thank you for watching.